Today, having a good credit score is more important than ever. Not only does your credit score play a huge role in determining what sort of interest rates you may receive from a loan, it's also being used by landlords, employers, utility companies, insurance companies, and now even dating websites. You simply cannot afford to have a low credit score. There are several factors that impact your credit. Approximately 35% of your score is determined by your payment history. That is, how do you pay your bills month in and month out? Outstanding debts account for another 30% of your score. Length of credit history is approximately 15%, and different types of credit 10%. And new credit determines about another 10% of your score. So how can you make sure your credit score is as high as possible? First and foremost, make sure your bills are paid on time, every month. This shows you're responsible and reliable. Secondly, keep your balances low. You should keep your balances under 20% of the credit limits, and 10% is ideal. For example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $5,000, your balance should not be higher than $500. $1,000 is the absolute maximum. If you even allow it to get to $1,200, you can see your credit score drop by about 50 points. You also want to keep a healthy mix of the types of credit accounts you have. Too many credit cards, department store cards, or installment loans is a bad thing. It is also recommended that you not open or apply for several new accounts at once. That's called shotgunning it. Not a good idea. Another thing to remember is that your credit didn't go bad overnight, so you can't expect it to improve it right away either. Your report shows a timeline of your credit. As time goes on, the bad marks will become less significant. Just make sure you're replacing them with good marks. Also, don't forget to review your credit regularly. Each year, you can review a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus for free. You can do this at www.annualcreditreport.com. There are a lot of other names that sound better. Don't go to those sites. Only go to annualcreditreport.com, where it's free.